Hello and welcome again to another DSPB video. In this special episode of Day and Night, I'm visiting the Streetartist festival in Linz, Austria, together with my Fuji X-T2, the old school manual Fujifilm 55mm 1.8 and the Fujifilm 18-55 kit lens. The first part is taken with the 55-1.8 and the rest with the 18-55. Will this combo work to capture some nice shots on this great Streetartist festival? Stick around for the next minutes to find out and enjoy! All photos were shot handheld and I also didn't use a monopod, and even without IBIS I didn't have any problem to get stable shots. Most photographers on this event used long lenses like a 50-140 or 70-200, and that's also what I used in the past. But I must say, if you want to get closer with 24 megapixels you can crop quite a lot. And a lot of these shots you see here are cropped and still have amazing detail and image quality. So this combo worked very good for me, but in the future I definitely want to get the Viltrox 85mm 1.8 to have a bit more reach and bokeh. I hope this inspires you to go out and make some street shots. Don't hold your mouse or smartphone like street food. Subscribe to this YouTube channel and follow me on social media. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.